The suspended Amada, Roland, who is currently under investigation by the EFCC, was accused of assuming unauthorized position relating to the palace of the Oba Benin. Reading the statement on behalf of the Benin Traditional Council to journalists, the secretary, Frank Irabo, said the suspended Roland Omoiho Ugbebo engaged in wrongful activities which are against the interest of the palace of the Oba Benin. He said His Royal Majesty
Amada, where they stay palace before, una know say that man a traitor. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, today's video na about the former Amada. I see the news wey just come out now, the outcome of the man, and I know say many of una know about this case. Many of una dey aware of this man, wetin him do that time. Many of una dey aware of when Obate drive am for palace, say they don't know say this man na just traitor for palace ever since. I go put video dey, my darling people o. May you dey pray say may you not follow your enemy dey eat for one plate. This Amada, una know wetin dem dey call wicked person. Na this man be wicked person. Na this man be, my darling people. Things dey happen o. Things dey really dey happen for this world. This former Amada so very wicked. They said they never knew he was a traitor for the palace. So everything where they happen for palace, or former Amada, they carry and go outside. They say na come as a threat to the palace, but the palace no know. They no quit know. They no quit know. They were thinking this man was a nice man. They never knew he was a traitor to the palace. One of the hear, my darling people. I said the thing shocked me when I dey hear and just now say, things there this world though. I could beg and not lie for that music. Sha wait for talk say I get baby. Mona help me share this video. I say wetin me I hear just now shocked me say former Amada na very evil human being sis. Nah, wow, my darling people, oh, they say nothing wey Musa no go see for gate, oh, nothing wey person no go see for this social media, oh. So this man was a traitor since. You just the palace there. They carry information, they go outside. And all by just the thing say na better person to ram. They don't know, say, this man was really a traitor. He was a threat to the palace. They send and come. They send them. Now, wow, my darling people, oh. This one shocked me, oh. Wetin me I hear just now, it shocked me. Pray may you not follow your enemy. There is a house, so pray may you not follow your enemy. They die with your enemy. They eat with your enemy. They go everywhere with your enemy. Any information when they gather, it will go they tell person wey send and come the palace. My ogbonge people, I say I hear to read just now. The thing shocked me. Say, hey, you know some people be for this world. Now some people be for this world. This man was really a fake man ever since. Fake to the call. They not quit no for palace. They not quit no. They think say na better person. They think say na good person. They not know say evil way pass and not this world. My darling people. What is this world they turn it to? What is this world? Thank God say he no come meme our Oba. Thank God say he no come give the points for that palace there. Person will be traitor. Person wey dey wicked like that former Amada so. Now wow, my people, the thing shocked me. Oh. The thing shock me for video wey me I see just now. I say I go for when news for carry am, I go put the video. More na listing. More na listing say, things dey this world oh. Trust nobody. Who person wan come trust again for this world now? Trust nobody. Trust nobody. Some people can be really mean. Some people really dey wicked for this world. Trust nobody. Trust nobody. Hey, as our Oba be like that marriage, they don't know say it was a traitor to the palace. It was really a bad person, wicked. No wonder we buy the movie. They always talk him every day. Say this man was a traitor. He's a wicked man. Very, very wicked to the core. They not quit no. Thank God. Una know say they say every day for the thief, one day for the owner. One day for the owner. My darling people, man, not to waste on time. Man, put the video now. More na listen. More na hear story. More na me share the video. More na share am. Make the whole world hear wetin former Amada do. My darling people, thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you.
The suspended Amada, Roland, who is currently under investigation by the EFCC, was accused of assuming unauthorized position relating to the palace of the Oba Benin. Reading the statement on behalf of the Benin Traditional Council to journalists, the secretary, Frank Irabo, said the suspended Roland Omoiho engaged in wrongful activities which are against the interest of the palace of the Oba Benin. He said His Royal Majesty Oba Ewaye II, Oba Benin, having expressed dissatisfaction over the atrocities perpetrated by Roland Ugbebo, approved the ban. Mr. Irabo said it was discovered that the former suspended Amada single-handedly installed Uhen and Inigi in various communities, which led to crisis and disputes to Benin Kingdom.
He has also behaved in treacherous ways to the throne, that is akin to being a traitor. He has been able to do this by disguising himself as a wolf in a sheep clothing and confidence trickster. He was of the opinion that his services to the throne were indispensable. He started behaving like what the Benin called, quote, Okoha Nemova, who thought that the system cannot function without him. The ongoing overhauling of the palace administrative system should put an end to all this. In view of this litany of abominable acts, Roland Omoiho is hereby banned from palace traditional and spiritual activities. For the avoidance of doubt, the ban is extended to his participation at all other palace traditional establishments and functions, including spiritual groups, activities, festivals, shrines, and Ogwejon in Benin Kingdom.
He said any person, village, and communities that have issues with Roland Ugbebo, especially on land grabbing, extortion, intimidation, impersonation, and fraud, are advised to forward written complaints to the Secretary, Benin Traditional Council, and security agencies. Efosa One.